I am Rajesh Bohara and Director of MBM India Private Limited. We design, develop and manufacture office chairs and its components. PKC is providing us here with business consultancy. We have worked with several consultancy firms, but what we like most about PKC is not one man show. PKC has a full-time committed team. They are in-house. They are working with us for last 3 months. They have been here like a full-time employee, and they give complete assurance with for implementation also. Not only just providing you with the improvement points or gap points or audit non-compliance points. They also work with us to solve that problem and implement it on the ground and provide us an auditing report later on whether the employee is complying with the improvement points or not. PKC is providing us with insights of our business in micro level, which is actually helping us to overcome routine problems in much efficient way. Small problems which are in front of us, but we could never see them. Now they have been solved easily and permanently.